In this video, I will show you how to uninstall programs on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started from your desktop, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom. In the search box, you want to type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. Now, once your settings has opened, come over to the left hand side. In this menu, you want to click onto apps, and then what you want to do is click onto installed apps at the top of this next window. Now, it might just take a minute or two to load all your different apps through, but what you can now do is start scrolling through and finding apps that you no longer use and that you want to uninstall to of course free up some disk space on your PC or laptop. Alternatively, if there is a specific app you're looking to uninstall, rather than scrolling through the list, you can use the search box at the top, and what you can do is type the name of the app into the search box. Now, to actually uninstall an app, all you need to do is locate the app that you want to uninstall, come to the right hand side of the app itself, and you're going to see these three dots which says more options. Give that a click and that's going to load up some further options. And what you want to do is click onto uninstall. Once you've done that, you're going to get a pop-up saying about this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and click uninstall. At this point, there might be a permission come up asking you if you want to uninstall the program. Go ahead and click yes. And at this point, some apps will just automatically uninstall, but some apps and programs have their own built-in uninstaller. So you can see in my case for Garmin Express, there's a built-in uninstaller. So what I'm going to do is just follow the steps on the uninstaller. So I'm going to click uninstall, and you'll find that's going to go ahead and fully uninstall the app. As you can see, we got this successfully uninstalled message. So this does vary from all different apps. Some have a built-in uninstall program, as for example like this one, Garmin Express, but some of them you would just literally click uninstall and it would just go ahead and uninstall the program. It does vary from app to app and on different programs. So that is how to uninstall programs on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.